Okay, for this part, I want to measure the air temperature, so I'm going to make sure that my thermometer is dry on the probe. Turn my thermometer on. I'm going to make sure that it is in Celsius. And I'm just going to set it down, making sure, see how the probe is above the lab table? And I just want to grab the air temperature, okay? Whatever it happens to be. I just want to wait long enough to make sure that the temperature is no longer changing. So you can see there's a little bit of adjustment. And when it stops changing, that is the temperature that I do want to record. Okay, again for this part, I have a dry thermometer. I'm going to turn it on, making sure it is in Celsius. Place that in the beaker of water. And I want to record that initial temperature when it is no longer changing. Right there so you can see it. Again, when that is no longer changing. That is what I want to record as the initial temperature of the water. All right, now what I'm going to do is remove this thermometer, and then I just want to watch the readings. You can see that it is changing. I want to record the lowest number I see. And just so you know, you can see I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding this thermometer. Remember, you're recording the lowest number you had seen. For this next part again, I need to start with the dry thermometer. Set it down. You can hold it, that's fine. But I want to record just the air temperature in the room. So I just want to give it a little bit of time to adjust. Okay. Again, holding it by this end, making sure not to touch the probe part is fine. Even though you recorded the air temperature earlier, the temperature could have fluctuated, so we're going to record it again. Okay. Once you have a number that is situated, okay, I think it's stabilized. In between these two numbers, it was, okay, I think we finally stabilized. I have now some rubbing alcohol. What I'm going to do is put the thermometer inside of the rubbing alcohol because I want to get temperature of the liquid before I do anything else. So I want to give that some time to adjust as I put it from air into, you can see where that probe is inside here in the liquid. Okay, you're going to be doing it in beakers. Same concept though. You can see the temperature. I'm making sure the probe is immersed in the liquid, not pressing up against the side. We want to get the most accurate measurement possible. And waiting until I don't see any more changes there. And waiting until I don't see any changes. And then okay, now I'm going to lift the thermometer out. I'm not going to do anything, I'm just going to hold it, but here's what I'm watching. The temperature. Again, I'm not doing anything to the thermometer, just holding it here. And I want to, again, as I did previously, record the lowest number seen.